Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are going to start today is comparing quantities. Yes, comparing quantities. That means what? As the chapter is comparing quantities, that means we are having any two quantities which we have to compare. Okay, suppose we are having two quantities. One is the height of a son and his mother. Okay, the height of the son is what? 75 centimeter. Mother ki height hai 154 centimeter. So here what you can see, here also I have written centimeter, here also I have written centimeter, means what is compulsory for comparing any two quantities is its unit. Yes, its unit is necessary. Means whenever you are going to compare any two things, then its unit must be same. Suppose if I am writing, if you have to compare the distance between your house and your school, so suppose it is 3 kilometer, okay, and this is distance from your home to school, right? If I told you, okay, what is the distance of your home and your that village home, means hometown, so that is, if you are saying 500 meter, 5000 meter, if you are saying 5000 meter, okay, 5000 meters. See, here you have given what? Kilometer, and here you have given meter. Is the unit same? No. So what we are doing first, we are making the unit same. Means we have to convert this meter into kilometer, या फिर इस किलोमीटर को मीटर में चेंज करेंगे. So what is comparing quantity? Comparing quantity is this only. For comparing quantity, what we need to compare two quantities, the unit must be same. This is required. Okay, let's see the another one example. Sohan is a boy. He bought from the market 20 kg of apples, and Ronit buys 35 kg of apple. Both are in kg, so we can compare easily कि yes, किसने ज़्यादा खरीदा है? Yes, Ronit has purchased या bought more apples. So in this way, children, we can compare the two quantities by making its unit same. Next topic, that is equivalent ratios. Yes children, now you are going to start what? Equivalent ratio. जब comparing quantities की बात करते हैं तो equivalent ratio is there. Okay, equivalent ratio means when we are comparing two fractions. Okay, so we can see that two fractions are having equal value or not. I am saying ना equivalent. Equivalent का मतलब क्या होता है? Actual meaning. Its word meaning is what? Equi मतलब equal, valent means its value. If the fraction is having equal value with the other fraction, then that is equivalent ratio, right? Ratio का मतलब क्या होता है? Suppose I have written 1:2. Suppose I have to make rice. Okay, for making rice, I have taken 1 cup of rice, raw rice, and 2 cups of water. So if anybody asks कि चावल कैसे बनाना है, for that what is the ratio they are asking? कितना लेना है? That is the ratio. Okay, I have taken 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. So this is ratio. कितना? Yes. Now see, are the ratios here? Two ratios are given. Ratio का मतलब means 1/2. This is what? 1/2. Fraction में लिखना. Okay, so what are the ratio of 1:2 and 2:3 equivalent? क्या ये दोनों values equal है? Means they are asking, are 1/2 is equal to 2/3? Is it? Let's see. It is equal or not? Let's see. Its solution will be, how you'll do it? See, 1/2, suppose 1/2 is equal to 2/3. Now see, its denominator differs. तो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसके डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. इसके भी दो मेथड्स होते हैं. या तो हम इसके डिनोमिनेटर्स को इक्वल कर दें. See how we can do it. This is 2 and 3 का LCM लेंगे तो it will be 6 and this will be 6, right? इक्वल टू डाल लेते हैं. जब तक ये इक्वल है तो ठीक है, इक्वल नहीं होगा तो जस्ट कैंसिल इट. 2 कितने are 2 3s are 6, so into 3, 1 3s are 3, and here 3 2s are 6, so this is 2, this is 4. Is 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 are of equal value? No. So it is not equal. So it is not equal, not equivalent. Right? Now see. एक और इसका मेथड है. सपोज इसको हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? 1/2 and 2/3. सपोज आई हैव रिटन इक्वल टू. सो आप इसको क्या करेंगे? विद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन यू कैन डू इट. 1 into 3. ओके, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? दिस इज 3. इस 2 के पास ये वाला 2 जाएगा. 2 into 2, दैट इज व्हाट? 4. तो 3 and 4 आर दे इक्वल? नो. विच इज ग्रेटर? तो यहाँ पे हम कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं कि यस विच इज ग्रेटर. तो विच इज ग्रेटर? दिस साइड इज ग्रेटर, दैट इज हैविंग वैल्यू 4. ओके, सो दिस इज अनदर मेथड ऑफ डूइंग कंपैरिजन ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस. बट वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इक्वलेंट रेशियो, ठीक है, वो इक्वल है या नहीं, बाय डूइंग दिस मेथड यू कैन do it. Okay, let's come to another part. Okay children, let's see the next one part, that is just now we have read ki equivalent fraction kaise nikalते हैं and how we can find out two ratios are equivalent or not. If the two ratios are equivalent, then what will happen? See, 1/2 is equal to 2/4 and 2/4 is 1/2 is also equal to 3/6. That means these two ratios are in proportion. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? proportion. Right? That means what? The ratio which are equivalent. जो equivalent होते हैं तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? They all are in proportion to each other. Okay, let's come to the next thing. Comparing quantities के लिए one more important thing is, अगर हम किसी दो चीज को compare करते हैं, we are sometimes taking out the value of one unit. Okay, when we are having one unit, we can find out the more units, means by using what? Unitary method. That I'll tell you just now. Yes children, now let's come to the most important part of this class. Today's class is unitary method. Unitary method क्या होता है? Means on the basis of by using this method we can find out the cost या the cost, speed, time, distance, whatever. See, here we are having one example with us, that is 6 bowls. Okay, the 6 bowls cost ₹90. 6 bowl की cost कितनी है? 90 rupees है. What would be the cost of 10 such bowls? अब 10 बाउल्स जो बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही हैं, वो उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? सो फॉर दैट फर्स्टली व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी नो what is the cost of 6 bowls. This we are given here, that is 6 bowls की कॉस्ट कितनी है? ₹90. Right? Now what is the cost of one bowl? One bowl की कॉस्ट कैसे निकालेंगे? by dividing it. Means 90 बाउल जो है 6 रुपीज का है, सॉरी 90 रुपीज के 6 बाउल्स हैं, यानी कि 1 की कॉस्ट कितनी होगी? बाय डिवाइडिंग इट वी कैन फाइंड आउट. एक बाउल की कॉस्ट होगी this much. 90 divided by 6, that is 6. So it is what? 15 rupees. What is the cost of one bowl? 15 rupees. Now what they have asked? See, cost of 10 bowls क्या होगा? 1 बाउल की कॉस्ट कितनी है? 15 है, और ज्यादा बाउल की कॉस्ट निकालनी है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीप्लाई बाय दैट नंबर. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट? ₹15 into 10 is 150. So this is the cost of what? 10 bowls. So this is known as unitary method. This we have solved by using unitary method. अब हम next exercise, that is 8.1, we will do in our next video, next class. Till then, goodbye children. So children, be with me in the next class. In next class I'll tell you the exercise questions of 8.1. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. And press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos in time.